$10. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. You're good to go on Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show. Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show.
Welcome back to 1010. Today I'm going to prepare a lovely tuna in a curry sauce, but very mild and creamy, and dress it up on a salad. It's a simple recipe, but very beautifully balanced with sweet, because I'm going to use pear in it, and the curry, which has a savory flavor in it. It's going to combine perfectly. So let me walk you through today's ingredients. I have a beautiful tuna steak, which is already in my pan with a cup of fish broth. I have a cup of chopped romaine, chia seeds, and did you know chia seeds are full of omega-3s? They have a tendency to get your blood sugar level down. And I'm also going to use some pear on my salad, some chopped cilantro in the sauce for the tuna, some cumin, which are amazing for your kidney functions, and some Peggy signature masala, garlic, some chopped red onion, and some chopped Madame Jeanette. Now, once everything is in the pan and it's going to be sauteed, I'm going to use some sour cream to make the sauce nice and creamy. Now, turmeric is yellow and might be hard on your esophagus, and that's the reason why I actually use some sour cream to smoothen up your esophagus. Now, my budget today was I paid $3 for the tuna, which is slightly cheaper than normal, $1 for my romaine, 50 cents for the chia seeds, 50 cents for the pear, and I'm gonna add one more $1 for my miscellaneous ingredients. Now, you and I both know that that is far within my budget. Now, what do you say? Let's start cooking. Okay, so let's start with the sauce. The tuna has been cooking now for 2 minutes on both sides. So it just needs 1 more minute to cook. So I'm gonna add some Peggy signature masala. I would say like a large tablespoon. 2 teaspoons of cumin. Some chopped cilantro. Just add it all in the pan. Garlic. Some chopped red onions. And some chopped Madame Jeanette. Stir it all up until you see it has this beautiful yellowish curry color. And you'll notice that the tuna is going to soak up all these beautiful flavors. I'm going to use my spatula to turn the tuna and stir it all up. Add 1 large tablespoon of sour cream. Now, don't overcook this. Turn off the burner and continue stirring it. So once you've added the sour cream in the pan, it's basically good to go. Now, to start your presentation, just sprinkle some chia seeds on top of the lettuce. Add some pear. And the pear, because it's sweet, is such a great combination with this salad. Now, Peggy Tjin stands for healthy cooking. Every single ingredient or every single dish has so many ingredients which have antioxidants, but also anti-inflammatories. Once you start eat this every day instead of going to the fast food chains, you'll notice a lot of difference in your health, your body weight, but also your energy level. Now, to finish this salad, I'm going to top it off with the tuna. Use some of these beautiful juices as a dressing. And just to make this a little bit sexy, the salad, top it off with some cilantro. Now I would say bon appetito from Peggy with love. Now if you need today's recipe, go to peggytjin.com or to your local channel's website. See you next 10:10.
$10, 10 minutes, you're good to go on Peggy Tjin's 10 Cooking Show.